Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Shenseea goes international. Dancehall artist Shenseea is making major musical moves as the trending gal DJ is now the first local dancehall artist to be signed to overseas label Interscope Geffen A&M Records. Interscope's EVP Joey Manda confirmed the deal in a statement via Vibe, noting that Interscope always strives to work with artists that can move their culture on a global scale. The company is pleased to partner with Shenseea and Russian. Last year, Head Concussion Records, owned by dancehall rap and trap producer Tariq Russian Johnston, signed a partnership deal with music giant Interscope, which makes him able to sign people directly to his label and Interscope. Russian, who has worked with Shenseea on several singles, has been mentoring her over the past year as she pushes her career globally. Shenseea recently released her new crossover hit Blast, featuring US rapper Tyga and producer Russian. The video currently has over 4 million views on music platform YouTube. Rhoda Isabella presents Kingdom Road. The album launch for the gospel singer Rhoda Isabella debut project was held over the weekend at Swallowfield Chapel in Kingston. The 11-track set, entitled Kingdom Road, includes tracks like Realest Friend, My Philosophy, and The Silent River. She treated gospel lovers to some of the tracks from the album.
You can never be the same. My God, always got your back when life gets hard. He's the realest friend I know.
In 2018, Rhoda Isabella was named the Female Gospel Artist of the Year and Breakout Sensation of the Year at the Sterling Gospel Music Awards. Now to news overseas, where reggae music was alive at Best of the Best. The 90s nostalgia was in full effect at the 13th annual Best of the Best concert held in downtown Miami over the weekend. Enthusiastic music lovers were in attendance to hear the tunes from some of the biggest names in reggae and dancehall music. 4 years after his first Best of the Best performance in Miami, the first dancehall act to win a Grammy Award, Mr. Loverman Shabba, came to deliver. Responsible for timeless dancehall classics, Dandara DJ Super Cat was in top form. Popular 90s DJs General Degree, Friska Kid, Roned, and General B, as well as reggae artist Bushman, also delivered top-notch performances. From then till now, the lineup also featured nowadays DJs like Alkaline, Movado Jamil, Vanessa Bling, and Stylo G. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.